I have this Vizio TV. The model number is a e70-e3. It's a 70-inch TV. It's a big TV. So that's the TV. What's this TV doing is when the TV turns on, the backlight on, but nothing shows nothing on the screen. So how the problem is came to this TV. You can see is a water damage by this connector. You can see some corrosion, some white stuff here, green over there. Yeah, this TV is like so. That's the connector that I soldered. So you can see some rosin. I'm gonna keep it over there. That's, the rosin is like it dry like rocks. That's gonna hold the connector into place. That's why I like to use the rosin for these connectors. Yeah, it was a little bit work on this one, but it's a good news. The TV turns on. We got a full screen. Yeah, there is no slow motion or dark spots or lines on the screen anymore. The TV looks good. Yeah, I'm gonna put it together. Then I plug something to it. Then I show you the picture on the TV. And this is how you fix the lines on the screens. And here the TV is fixed. Picture is good, no more lines.
Go over there. So she paid you $350 or how much?